Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Anyway. In this video, what about I talk to you for how to fix failure to load onlinefix64.dll from the list. So error code 126. So simply few methods try to this error fix it. Okay, now close it that error. Now go to the next methods. Now before that, like and comment this video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and method is one by one follow to this problem fix it. Okay, let's go ahead. First step restart. So go to the start menu, then power key press, restart button, click here to restart your system. Sometimes this method working now, so try it. Then go to the next method, disable your Windows security. So go to that Windows security, then click here, then virus and third products, click here, then manage settings, then real-time protection disable, switch off, then yes, click here to confirmation off. After that, come to back, then go to the next method. That method for the online fix.dll file download in browser. So go to that your browser and type that online fix64.dll file, download, then come to desktop, then right click to extract, then double to open it. This file copy, right click to go to that game file, paste. After that your problem refresh your system. After that your problem fixing now. Thanks for watching and like and comment this video. Don't forget subscribe. Simply few methods try to this error fix it. And if you have any queries, please ask me anytime. Comment section, go to comment and don't forget subscribe.